Good morning and welcome in lesson 6. So today we are studying two more consonants. The first one is called seen, this one, seen, and it's pronounced S. And the second one is called sheen, and it's pronounced sh. So these are easy to pronounce. We have the sounds in English, S and sh. This one, it's not a vowel, so we've completed our three vowels, simple and double, like a, an, u, un, I, in. We've completed them. So this is the absence of vowel, and I will show you how it works. It's called a sukūn, that's the name, sukūn, and it marks the absence of vowel. It looks like a small zero above the letter. So if seen and sheen are quite easy letters to spot in the text because of the three teeth. We call them teeth. So you have like three little teeth, and that letter connects both on the left, on the right, and on the left. Okay. So when you connect it, you remove the tail. This tail, you remove it. So you have initial position not connected on the right but connected on the left without the tail, then middle position connected on both sides, and then the ending position with its tail again. Here it's easy to spot because you have three teeth, and there is no other no letter in Arabic with a tooth without a dot. So it has to be three teeth together. It has to be a seen, and the same goes for the sheen. So the sheen is exactly the same, but with the dots, the three dots. So you have initial, middle position, and ending position. So these are quite easy to spot and easy to pronounce. Then if we see now so we've seen the vowels, we've seen the sa, we've seen the su, we've seen the si. We also had the san in ending position, we had the sun in ending position. Sin here, it doesn't show so much because the tail is very big, but this is 2 kasra, so nothing special. Now I will show you how we use the sukūn. Let's say we want to write sin, ba, and ta. So we can have sa, ba, ta, with three vowels, sa, bu, ta. This is nothing special. Now I may want, let's do this, sa, bu, tun. I may want to have absence of vowel. In that case, I will have sabtun, sabtun. So sin with the fatha, sa, ba with no vowel, b, sab, sabtun, and then my ta with the two dhammas. So it goes sabtun. So here the absence of vowel is noted with a sukūn. Very often we've had like we just write it like this with no ending vowel, like sabt, sabt. In this case, it is exactly the same to write sabt or sabt. It's the same. Usually in Arabic there are very few words that end with a sukūn like this, so it should be sabta, sabtu, sabti, or sabtan, sabtun, sabtin. But at the end of the word, at the end of the sentence, it is very common, even if you write like this, it's very common not to pronounce it. So you pronounce it sabt, sabt, which is actually this. So it's redundant, sabt, and we don't write it. Usually we don't write like two sukūns like this, sabt. The other thing with sukūn is that you can't begin a word with a sukūn. This is not a possible word in Arabic. You never have an initial sukūn. But no, it doesn't exist. So here you have sukūn could be here in the middle. It could be here in the end, but it's very rare. Even if we pronounce it, we don't write it. Okay, sabt. So this is the most common way to find a sukūn. That would be either like this, sabt, or with an ending vowel, Sabtu, sabtun, no problem. So I will show you now a few words with sin and shin, and with the letters that we've studied before, and with sukūn. Staj, sabab, sabt, sitr, busr, bastara, busht, taht, jisrun, jushar, bahtan, shash, shibshib, shabah, shibr, shabab, bursh, hads, hirshan, jahsh. So you notice that in some cases the sukūn modifies a bit the consonant, because you don't hear, like in hats, you almost hear a T, hats, instead of hads. So this is normal. The sukūn has some small influence, just like we had here on sapt. You almost hear a P, not a B. So sapt, sapt. But it's normal, okay? It's just phonological modification because of the absence of sukūn. So sapt, sapt. Here you don't hear it. Sitr, it's a regular T. You don't hear a difference. Here, taht, it doesn't modify the consonant. But here, sapt, it kind of modifies the consonant as hats as well, or shib, shib. Here, you've seen it's shin kasra, shib, shib. So what I pronounce is this, shib, shib, twice the same syllable. We don't need to write the ending sukūn, as I said. Okay, so today we had two more consonants, s, sh, named sin and shin, and sukūn, which is the absence of consonant. And sin and shin, they connect both on the right and on the left. Enjoy your lesson, and see you later.